Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a tech stock, and it's a tech stock that's currently on its way into a trading area, which could be a long-term trend reversal area. So there are some great opportunities potentially ahead of us. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. The stock we're going to take a look at is Snowflake. So what we do, we have to navigate to our tech stocks section here on the website. You'll find the link to the site in the description. You can register for free and you get access to all of these daily free Elliott Wave updates. Today we want to take a look at Snowflake, and we're going to take a look at the 8-hour chart first and then the 4-hour chart. So let's take a look at 8 hours. This gives you an overall idea of the chart, and also it gives you an idea of our long-term targets. Here you can see on the chart that the price ideally reaches $786 or higher in this third wave. At the moment, Snowflake seems to be in the late stages of a wave 2 correction. This is a very complex correction labeled WXYXZ. The price reacted here early this year to our short trade area and is now on its way into a long-term support zone, which might never be reached again. So those are these boxes with a blue color, which have a green border around them. These are the boxes that we put on the chart when we think if this trend reversal is successful, the price might never, or at least not for a very, very long time, come back into this price region. Obviously, you see it on the chart. The correction has now lasted, well, many years. So from 2021, from that top, the price topped at around $429. Since then, the price has been in this correction. So it is obviously a long-term correction. I can't promise you that we will reverse there. We will have to see how the market reacts to that support zone. But this is one of these trading areas where we assume that the price will react. It is defined between $91.89 and $48.52. That's the idea for this wave 2. There is a support zone at around $110. We're currently holding, not a support zone, a support level. We're currently holding above that level. And as you can see, a critical resistance level and breakout point on this time frame is the $429 level. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. This gives us a little bit more detail, and it gives you an idea of where we are in this cycle, in this correction. And you can see that we're currently moving down there in this wave 2. That's the idea. There are a few ways how this could play out, but it's just different labeling essentially. Okay, and the idea is that we're now in this last wave down, wave Z. So it's a very complex correction. You see here that the market in wave B moved down, touched $107.41, which is also now a support level that needs to be broken to unlock prices in this trading area. But with our, let's say with both our scenarios that we're tracking here, we expect the price to get there either directly, and that would be confirmed with a break below $107.41. We assign that scenario a 33% probability, or after going up a little bit more in this B wave, that's the preferred scenario, and then come down. So this blue B wave that you can see here in the alternative scenario already completed back in May, June. But again, what are we talking about? Do we get a bounce and then go down, or do we go down directly? In both scenarios, our assumption is that the price will reach this support zone, which is defined between, I'll say it again, $48.52 and $91.89. From there, then we expect to see a larger reversal. Now, that's not going to happen within a day. The price might spend some time in this area. However, we've seen it many times before. For example, there could be a small sell-off, a wick into that trading area, and a reversal, and then we are on our way up. So it can be reasonable to use limit orders to find a position, or you are putting, you might want to set yourself a signal, or you put in your trading view, and when the price is reached, you get a signal, for example, yeah, or you just register on the website and you get our updates. But the parameters are very clear. So it is an interesting stock. It is an interesting chart. We seem to be in the very late stages of a long-term correction. However, probably not complete yet. We need a little bit more downside before this correction can be called complete. But very interesting, especially medium-term, long-term, to possibly realize some of that upside potential there. So it's an interesting chart with a lot of upside potential. Of course, we are still in the downtrend at the moment. So let's see if the market can react positively to that trading area. That's the update about Snowflake. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in further updates, let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency or tech stock or other asset you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.